Everyone's awake and making lots of noise right now.
Which, 10:40, so that's wonderful.
Yeah. I have this thing where they leave the group and they go and they sniff the border of their little pen. Like they're trying to figure out a way to escape.
Or to get to mom.
Or that. Little Hazel, she's so cute when she walks. Oh.
Hey, you're good.
Hazel's mad. He hasn't had dinner. Oh, pile of sleeping puppies. Hazel's gonna cuddle right in. Maybe. Never. It's my mom. That's what he's saying. And there's mom, just laying there. Like what? They're making loud noises. I'm not going in there. Maybe they'll settle down now. I've been awake for about 20 minutes. It's a long time in puppy world. There's little Fleur. She's still practicing walking.
She's getting better.
She kind of looks scared.
She's tired. She's looking for the soft spot to sleep.
She's been awake for a while.
Neville. Hey. There you go. Cuddle up and be quiet.
There, everyone's gonna settle back down for a minute.
Neville just needed a little bit of attention from me. Haggard.
Yeah, Neville. Just need a little bit of exercise. Okay. Bye, guys.